Hey everybody, this is Modern Refugee. We're just out taking a little walk today. I got myself a new pack. My old pack is old, starting to fray a little bit, and I've been using it for years upon years, so I decided to get myself something different. I bought one from that LA police gear. That is an Atlas 72 is what they call it. It's a 74-liter pack, and it's pretty similar to my old pack that I had, except it's sort of up to date with that laser cut molly and stuff. And we decided to take a walk along the lake here today. You can kind of see the marsh back behind us there. It's already seen a deer on this walk, which is kind of cool. But I just threw a bunch of stuff in there. There's about 30 pounds of gear in there with water and just stuff that I would take if I was going to go like spend the night out in our woods or spend the night in a campground or something around here. This is pretty much the stuff that I would take, so I threw that all in there. I'm going to turn the camera around here real quick and show you what I got in this pack today. All right, on the outside of the pack here, the first thing I got stuffed in here is just it's one of those sniper's veils. It's just a camouflage mesh. I grabbed this in case I wanted to collect a little birch bark, or if we happen to find some morels back here, I could just throw them in this and make a little bundle. Morels you always want to carry in some kind of mesh, so you spread the spores as you walk. The front pouch here is kind of where I got all my small stuff. I got a first aid kit here. This is first aid with a pair of socks in here, and then I got some food and coffee mixes. Got some Lipton soup and some chicken. Got some couch chicken and some apple cider and some flavored couscous, like chili couscous or whatever they call that. And I got some coffees in there, some water tablets, which I probably wouldn't use around here. I'd just use a filter if I was getting any water around here. And then in here, I got, suppose I should open these real quick and show you. Got canister of gas, and got my heater, my little backpacking stove, and I got stuff to hang a bush pot in here. Got a little piece of fat wood down there. Got some fire starting stuff. Got the lid for my bush pot. Got that all in here. This pack's got about 40 million little cubby holes and zippers, which is nice, I guess, if you're into organization, but every one of these zippers and pulls and everything, that all adds weight to the pack. So this pack is actually pretty heavy. I don't think I'm going to wear this out anytime soon. And this one pouch here I did use. Got a knife sharpener, got a spare lighter, got a ferro rod, threw my compass in there, got a candle, beeswax candle, and then I got my knife and spoon set. Sort of just the essential small stuff here. Zippers seem pretty heavy duty on this. This here in the top one, got a spare pair of gloves, got a tourniquet. And I got some wipes and soap. It's like the perfect size for that, and actually perfect location, because that's stuff that you might need to use quick. And then in the top here, I got two headlamps. I like carrying two headlamps because if one craps out on you, you got a spare. And then I got my charging kit, cords, and this was supposedly a sunglasses pack, it said, but it's pretty deep, so it's kind of cool for that stuff. And then the main compartment here, got a figure 9 carabiner hanging on the outside. I like them for putting up ridge lines and stuff, because you don't have to tie any knots then. And the main compartment, got my pad to sit on. And I've got my Swagman roll down here on the bottom, which is basically a poncho that's lined. And then I have two ponchos that I could use to make either a shelter or a rain fly for my hammock. And I got my hammock in here. And then I just got a Ziploc bag with all my different ridge lines and line sets and carabiners there to clip into the grommets on the ponchos, and some tent pegs. And and then I got my heavy wool, my queen size heavy wool blanket in there for warmth, and that way I could rig up I can rig up the hammock with the swagman roll. I could put that underneath to lay on, so I have a little bit of insulation on the bottom of the hammock, and then I can use these for the rain fly, and then I can cover myself up with the wool blanket. That's basically what I got in here. Oh, and I gotta show you one more thing. I forgot the side pockets. The side pockets here, I got my bush pot and my water in the side pockets. So I got my bush pot and cup right there. I got a spare knife in there, which I may carry or may not carry if I was actually going out camping, because I got a knife around my neck here too. And I got my silky saw, and that pretty much fits in the side pocket. And then this side pocket over here, got a smart water bottle filled with water, and then I got a Sawyer stuffed in there. The two are compatible. And that way I'd have one bottle for clean water and one bottle for dirty water if I was coming out here and foraging water like out of the lake or a little creek or something. But that's basically my Atlas 72 there, with about 30 pounds of gear in it. Cost me $75 because I had a coupon. It was around Easter time. They had a coupon for like $15 off, so that's what I used. I think they're regular like $89. So anyway, that's my pack. I didn't think it was too expensive for what I was getting here, but like I said, it is heavy, and it's a heavy, chunky piece of canvas. So you're not going to wear it out, but you do have to be prepared to bear the weight for something like this. But anyway, this is Modern Refugee. Appreciate all my subscribers out there. Hope you guys got some ideas out of this video here if you're packing stuff to go back in or hike or spend an overnight in a wild place like this. But anyway, you guys have a good one.